Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about something super important, saving money. If you're looking for simple, practical ways to cut costs and keep more cash in your pocket each month, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Tip 1. Track your expenses. The first step to saving money is knowing where it's going. Track every expense, even the small ones. Use apps like Mint or simply write it down. Once you see where your money is going, it's easier to cut unnecessary spending. Tip 2. Set a budget. A budget is your financial best friend. Decide how much you'll spend on essentials like rent, groceries, and bills. Then, set aside savings and a little for fun. Stick to it, and you'll see the difference. Tip 3. Cook at home. Eating out is expensive. Instead of ordering takeout, cook your meals at home. Meal prepping can save both time and money. Plus, homemade food is usually healthier. Tip 4. Cancel unused subscriptions. Check your bank statements for subscriptions you don't use. Gym membership, streaming services. If you're not using them, cancel them. That's easy money saved every month. Tip 5. Use cashback and discount apps. Why pay full price when you don't have to? Use cashback apps like Rakuten or Honey to get discounts and cashback on purchases you already make. Tip 6. Buy in bulk. For essentials like rice, pasta, and toiletries, buying in bulk can save you a lot over time. Just make sure you're buying things you actually need. Tip 8. Use public transport or carpool. Gas prices are high. If you can, use public transport, carpool, or even bike to work. You'll save money and help the environment. Tip 7. Cut energy costs. Turn off lights when you leave a room. Unplug electronics and switch to energy-efficient appliances. Small changes like these lower your electricity bill and save money every month. Tip 9. Shop smart. Before buying anything, ask yourself, do I really need this? Also, compare prices, wait for sales, and use coupons. Every little bit adds up. Tip 10. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account each month. Even if it's just $50, over time, it adds up. The best part, you won't even miss it. And there you have it, 10 easy ways to save money every month. Which tip did you find most helpful? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.